All right, food and money waste. So sometimes when we're thinking of these really restrictive diets, we're also thinking of the waste that there might be, or they might go bad really soon. So looking for shelf stable or non-perishable items, again, when you're at these food shows, looking for those, being really intentional. If you're doing some more speed scratch or scratch cooking, you can test the recipes for freezability, which I put in parentheses because I don't know if that's a word, okay? But if you test the recipes for freezability, place the item that you get that's working for a student with multiple foods they have to avoid, place it on the standard menu, place it on the salad bar, place it in your supper menu. So use that product or that recipe multiple times, as many times as you can. And then sharing is caring, of course. Can you split cases between sites of food so food isn't going or beverages aren't going bad quickly where it will be wasted?